Hey, good morning, and welcome to Tuesday in Mr. Bresson's class. I just wanted to go over the schedule with everyone today because this first week it's not our usual schedule. So let's look at it together. At 9:15, we're all together for morning meeting in Mr. Bresson's WebEx. And then we're just going to stay on and keep working on our cares. Today, our cares value that we're working on is assertion. After that, you have a couple of tasks to do offline on your own. So one is to watch a video on how to send an email, and then follow the instructions in that video to send me an email. And then I'm hoping that the PE lesson is up for today. If it's not up for today, don't worry. If it's not up, just any exercise you want to get is good exercise. There's no bad exercise. So if the lesson is not up, just go find some exercise to do around your home. You could go for a walk with someone in your family, or anything really. Then everyone is going to have 20 minutes of group time with me. So make sure you check the schedule here: 10:40, 11 o'clock, 11:20, and 11:40. I have 4 groups, and everyone is in one of those 4 groups. We're going to practice working in small groups for the first time, and we're going to get some apps set up for you, because I know that was a big thing that people were working on yesterday. 12 o'clock is always our lunch and recess. So let's go over and look at the afternoon on the right. We're going to do some recess together again. I think it was fun doing recess together yesterday. And I just want to give people a few ideas. There's a million ideas for what you can do for recess from home. So we're just going to do a few together this week and kind of get some ideas. We're going to do the read aloud with the book that gets the most votes. And then in the afternoon, we're talking about growth mindset. So I have some videos, and we're going to talk about it together. And then I have an assignment on Schoology for you to do by yourself called the Mindset Fix It. After you finish that, I want you to get some time off of your screen because you've been on the screen a lot today. So grab any book or magazine and just find a comfy spot at your home and read, okay? Try to read for 30 minutes if you can. Really, 30 minutes every day is what's going to make you a really strong reader. But I'm open for office hours at 3 o'clock. So if you have any questions, you can come in and ask me at 3 o'clock, and I'll be glad to help you, okay? Some students are going to meet with me one-on-one today. I'm doing this all week. So today I have John, Aisleen, Saladin, Najib, Zion, and Sahara. So before you go, remember you can use your iPad to set an alarm if you have a one-on-one meeting or for any of the red times. So like 9:15, and then your small group time, and then 1 o'clock. Those are the 3 times we're coming together today. So go ahead and make sure you've got your alarms in your iPad, and that way you will be on time and ready to go every time you see Mr. Bresson. See you soon.